Let's start with the configuration for our API route in a NextJS application. Here, we're specifying that we want to use the experimental edge runtime. The edge runtime is designed for high-performance serverless functions that can run at the edge, closer to the user. This can significantly reduce latency and improve the experience when dealing with large datasets, which is our focus in this example. We're defining an asynchronous function named handler which will serve as our API route. This function will be invoked when a request is made to the route, and it is responsible for handling the response that will be sent back to the client. At the core of this example, we're initializing a readable stream. Streams are powerful primitives provided by the web platform for efficiently handling large volumes of data without having to load everything into memory at once. The readable stream takes an object with a start method. This method accepts a controller that we use to push chunks of data into our stream. To simulate streaming a large dataset, we enter a loop that iterates 1,000,000 times. Inside the loop, we use the controller enqueue method to add chunks of data to the stream. Here, we're simply streaming a string that represents a chunk of data along with its index. Once our simulation loop is complete, we call controller close to indicate that there are no more data to be streamed. This closes the stream and allows consumers of our API to know that they've received all the data. Before we can send the stream back to the client, we need to set the appropriate headers. Here, we're setting the content type header to text, plain with UTF-8 character encoding, indicating we're streaming plain text. Finally, we respond with the stream. By passing our stream to the response constructor, we turn it into a response object that can be sent back to the client. This allows the client to receive the data as it's being generated, which is much more efficient for large datasets.